Good morning, students. The reflection of light I had explained you yesterday. Now, one activity based on it is here to show the reflection of light from a plane mirror. Here, materials required are light source, a variable voltage supply, a white screen, a card with a slit, a stand, and a plane mirror. Set up the compact light source with the help of the stand. See here the source of light. It is set up with the help of stand. Here is stand and the light source. Then place the card with a slit in front of the light source. Then hold a mirror to catch the ray of light passing through the slit. Adjust the angle of the mirror so that the light ray gets reflected across the screen. What do you observe? Though the screen is held on the side, the ray of light is seen on the screen despite the rectilinear propagation of light. And our conclusion is mirror is an opaque, smooth, shiny surface that reflects light. See here, this is stand and this is compact source of light. From here the light is coming. This is a cardboard having slit in it, a small hole. Then the light rays passes through it in this mirror. We know that light travels in a straight line. It is one of the property of light that is known as rectilinear propagation of light. But here you can see that light reflects, it bounces back because mirror is an opaque object, so it reflects the light and it falls on this screen and form an image. So this shows that light get reflected when it falls on an opaque object. So the picture of our face that we see in the mirror is called an image, and it is formed when light through our face gets reflected. When we observe carefully, the image of our face appears to be formed behind the mirror, and it is virtual image. There are two types of image: real image and virtual image. Real image is the image which can be obtained on the screen. See here one example of pinhole camera. Through this pinhole camera, the image is forming on the screen and it is upside down. Upside down image is formed. This is real image because the image is forming on the screen. Also, the image obtained on a cinema screen are real image. Here, the real image is formed when the rays actually meet. Here, the rays are actually meeting and image is forming there. So, generally the curved mirrors from real image, it forms real image and it is upside down. That means real image is always inverted. And second is virtual image. The image that cannot be obtained on a screen is known as a virtual image. That means actually the image is not forming on the screen. The image formed by plane mirror is a virtual image. Every day we see our face in the mirror and the image formed there is virtual because it is just an illusion. भ्रम. Actually इमेज बनता नहीं है, वो स्क्रीन पे बन नहीं रहा है, but it seems that it is forming there because it is due to the light rays after reflection appear to meet behind the mirror. ऐसा लगता है कि ये कहीं जाके मिल रहा है लाइट रेज और इमेज बन रहा है, बट as soon as we move from there the image also get vanished. So the difference between real image and virtual image: real image, the image forms on the screen, but virtual image does not form on the screen. Second difference: real image, actual meeting of rays are there, but in virtual image no actual meeting of rays. It appears or it seems that rays are meeting. In real, the image is inverted, and in virtual, the image is erect or straight. So, some important characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror are: first, image forms behind the mirror. When we stand in front of a mirror and move forward and backward, we will find that the image also moving the same way. That means the image is forming at same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. हम लोग अगर पीछे जाएंगे तो मिरर में इमेज भी लगेगा कि पीछे जा रहे हैं, और अगर हम लोग सामने आएंगे, मिरर के करीब आएंगे, तो इमेज भी लगेगा कि वो करीब आ रहा है. तो दिस इज the first characteristics of the image formed by a mirror, that is it forms at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Second is the right hand appears to be left and left appears to be right in the plane mirror. This property of a plane mirror is known as laterally inverted. Laterally inverted, right appears left, left appears right. Reversal of an image. And this property clearly justifies why ambulance is written laterally inverted. In ambulance, you can see the word is written in inverted form. The word ambulance in front of one is written in the reverse order, so that when the driver is in the front looks in his rear view mirror, which is a plane mirror, they can see the image of ambulance, the word ambulance, and they can immediately give the way to the ambulance. Third is, it is of the same size. The image formed by the plane mirror is same size as the object is. Fourth, it is virtual and erect. That means the image formed by plane mirror is erect, it is straight. हम लोग जैसे खड़े रहते हैं वैसा ही दिखता है. It is erect or straight and it is virtual. So all the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror are 5 characteristics: virtual, erect, same size as the object, it is at the same distance as the object is in front of the mirror, and it is laterally inverted. See the activity to demonstrate that lateral inversion in a plane mirror. You can do this at your home also. Stand in front of the mirror and in the mirror write your name. If you will write in correct order, then it can't be read by the plane mirror. But if you write in रिवर्स वे, उल्टा लिखोगे तो प्लेन मिरर में सीधा दिखेगा. See here the letter F, R, P. If it is written in opposite way, then reverse way, then it can be read by the plane mirror. Or if we will write it correctly, then it get inverted. It get reversed. So this is all about the characteristics of image formation by the plane mirror and real and virtual image.